Hey guys, I'm here with Jason Rose at the Rupes booth at SEMA 2025. I want to know what's all new here with Rupes this year because I'm a huge Rupes enthusiast. I've been using them for pretty much the entirety of my detailing career since I started 10, 11 years ago now. So I've been through all the iterations of the machine. You guys have some cool stuff though.
Yes, we've got, as usual, we come out with some new stuff every SEMA. We've got some stuff for the body shop. There's sanders and
Cool.
double-sided pads over there. We have also come out with a new polish in our DA line, our DA ultrafine polish,
Okay.
with a matching foam. So these are meant to be used together. All new tech, new abrasive, new foam formula. So that's being launched. But the excitement that everybody seems to be drawn to at the show is the new upgrade to the Nano. So a lot of people are aware of the Nano.
Yep.
It's been out for 10 years, but this is a major upgrade in performance and capability and durability. So first off, out of the motor, 25% more power.
Okay, great.
So
I never thought they were super underpowered before. I don't know. Some
But
people
now
like
you-
to just turn it up to 11.
now you have more, and you can turn down the dial, but it's 25% more power. And also this piece here has been completely redesigned from here up. And before the previous Nano, you had an option to be short neck or long neck. And now we just have this one option. The market has chosen over time, and the long neck was preferred over the short neck.
Yep, I would agree.
So now we're keeping that length, but this is no longer a metal piece.
Which
This
I
is-
very much like.
This is a composite, and no spindle lock anymore. We deleted the spindle lock.
Those had some issues. I've had both the short neck, long neck, had some issues with those over the years. Also the housing kind of breaking apart. This to me, just looking at it, seems so much more robust.
So much more solid. Now, one of the things that seemed to like happen with the other Nano was the plastic shroud around here would break or fall off. If you impacted it on a car part, it would break. But this one, I'll show you the shroud, which is where.
We got little attachments everywhere.
Here we are to show. Do you have the shroud?
Yep, shroud's right on there.
Oh. So this shroud here replaces the previous one we had, but it's all not only durable. I mean, this you can drop it, you can hit it against a car or whatever, but it is now magnetically applied. So
I like that.
If you accidentally hit it, it will fall off, but it won't break.
Great.
You know, so this is part of our new tech. Now we've also applied what we are calling Smart Fix technology for the adapters. So most people know the Nano is actually 3 tools.
Yep.
It's a rotary, it's a 3mm orbital sander, it's a 12mm orbital polisher.
Yep.
And that remains the same, but now we've really beefed it up a lot. So this is the 12mm adapter with a 2-inch pad, but our Smart Fix technology, it mechanically glides into a channel, but then there's little magnets.
Yeah, check that out. That's
grip,
really cool.
The magnets grip the part and holds it on place.
Wow.
So there's a mechanical channel, and then there's the magnetics that lock it in.
And of course with this, the shroud goes over it, then that goes
Yeah.
into it. You can
Yeah.
also use it without it, but always recommend using that shroud.
Now the shroud is helpful so you don't bang the parts on your fingers. But you'll notice that we have this. Now this is a new part for the Nano. What this is it allows the rotary capability of the tool to be boosted. So this is a gear reduction device.
Oh, very cool.
So what it means is in rotary mode, we can now have more powerful, more robust rotary because the gear reduction will allow you to have more torque at lower RPMs.
Interesting. Very cool.
And it's with the Smart Fix technology, just grip pops right in there, pops right in there. Hello.
Still pops right in there.
There's an orientation to get, because sometimes the magnets grip it too early.
Got it.
But there it is.
Seems like a pretty slick system though. I am really intrigued with this.
So with this gear reduction, we now can use 2-inch rotary whereas the previous Nano was limited to 1-inch rotary.
Yeah, you could always like adapt the pad to it, but it never felt totally calibrated
Well, it was
to
overwhelming the gears.
Exactly.
If you did 2-inch with the previous Nano, you were overwhelming gears and the motor because it didn't have enough torque to do that. But
So, and then is this used for just the 1-inch?
yes,
Got it.
this would be for
So
one.
you don't can you use this with a 1-inch backing plate on this, or would you
Yes.
just want to go straight to there?
Well, you could either way. This can handle the 1-inch diameter, but if you're
Okay.
going to do 1-inch, you might as well just go straight to it.
Oh, perfect.
And there's your 1-inch.
Love it.
So
This thing looks great. Do you have any idea on pricing of these units so far?
you know, I don't have the exact price, but
All good.
I'm told that list price it's just the 15 or 20 bucks higher than the previous version. It's
perfect.
It's not that big of a deal as far as the list price goes. Now your price where you buy it from your distributor would be
course. Could be slightly different.
whatever they set it at.
Just curious for the audience, because small 1-inch to 3-inch handheld battery electric polishers have been everywhere over this show. I've been seeing a lot of them just straight out of China. There are a lot of competitors out there. I'm really curious to see how this does throughout the detailing that I do with it, because it's a very handy tool.
Well, and then one thing I can't forget to remind your viewers is that this is iBrid. So for Rupes, what iBrid means is the ability to take one tool and use it with a battery or a cord.
Yep, which is very nice.
So there's lots of battery tools on the market, there's lots of corded tools on the market, but our thing is iBrid means you can take one tool, use a battery or corded. So that's part of this as well.
Have the batteries changed at all since the first generation?
Yes,
Okay.
we've tuned batteries now. There's battery tech that I'm just now myself learning the insides of these, but I didn't know until fairly recently that this battery also has a microchip in it, and the microchip talks to the computer in the tool, so they communicate to each other.
Interesting.
And what I'm learning is that we have optimized our batteries to have better communication, but also fine-tune the cycle time and how much power gets delivered. Because this motor is now 25% more powerful, so we had to tune the battery to
Otherwise,
adjust
you
to
would
that.
have worse battery life.
All right.
That makes total sense.
Yeah.
I'm really intrigued by this machine and can't wait to play around with it more. What else is new with Rupes this year?
Well, the sanders in the body shop line,
Okay.
that's new. The double-sided pad system is new for
Okay.
body shop.
Very cool.
And then the
Love
PA
it.
ultrafine polish.
I'm
That's
loving
what
it.
we have at this show. We have lots more coming. There's, I'm actually working on 9 projects in the pipeline right now. So
And we're on Mark V for the corded Bigfoots, right?
yes,
I've switched over here to the battery ones. I've been really impressed with it. I also had my motor fail on it, or something fail inside of it, within about 9 months of use.
Huh.
I got a fresh one directly from you guys in Colorado,
well,
which has
hopefully
been
we
good.
took good care of you there.
Definitely did. It's now perfect. It's back to it. I think the trigger switch started to go out, and then it caused some more failures down the line because I continued using it. Because going back to corded polishers really drove me nuts. I mean, as you know, detailers, we are like, you're detailing a car, but you're also just playing with cords all day, managing them where they're
Moving them
going,
around.
tripping over them, getting them tangled. That's not super fun.
Yeah.
This machine looks really cool, and very excited for it. So when are these out? Can you purchase these now?
These are available now.
Amazing. Well, I need to buy one to make a review with. So really appreciate your time, Jason.
My pleasure.
It's an absolute
Thank you.
pleasure. Thank you.